guys, Brian here again with Supertechs. We've got a quick video showing you the CS Remote Care 3002 connection failure, how to turn this off. So just go ahead and go into tech red mode like usual. Menu, counter, display keypad, stop 00, stop 01. Okay, then you'll come into the tech rep menu, hit CS Remote Care, maintenance default settings, select HTTP1, ID code, put in ones across the board, select ID code again, hit detail settings, go to RAM clear, select set, and then end, then go down to server setting, data initialization, select yes, end one more time, do a quick reboot, and you're good to go. That'll clear that setting for you guys. Thanks a lot.